This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajingdon ki Seng Pyrthei ki bamkwa banya dan banta haka all party committee ka bala thau daga sarkar jala banya merjing mod halor ka lentirel haka arpusaw tere ujalleo arja arpusan ukonrat kes sangma ubentri rangba ka jala ula Kyntu ki Seng Pyrthei ban Pyrkhat Arsien halor ka ni kamat namar baka sarkar kan sa ya chaprang kumba ka ban long Kumban Shukudau ki Seng Pyrthei ki bapenpau ya ka jingbam kwa banya dan banta haka all party committee ki Kyntu ya artli ki party kata ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC but ka Voice of the People Party VPP. Habakran halor kani ukonrat ulaang bakani ka jing merjing mot kadai ka banta ka pakongsan bahaya ka jalla bagi jingdon ki kunhon ki bapersa halor kani ka longkum ka khubor ka bakla shibun. Kumta Kyntu ki Seng hima bakin shong haka committee ladakin ai jing munjur ni kim ai jing munjur ru.
Yeah, we got some negative message response from certain political parties, so we were slightly not moving forward because we'd like to see everybody on board. It's an important issue. My point is that whether you agree or don't agree, at least we sit and we talk and put our thoughts and ideas on the table. And without having a proper democratic process in this whole thing, some political parties have decided not to participate in this, which I feel is democratically a very, very wrong message. As I said, whether you agree or disagree, I think the platform is being provided. We should sit and put our heads together. And we may all disagree to it, or we may all agree to it, or at least the facts will come out on what the challenges are. And hopefully we will find a way forward. So I'm hoping that the parties will reconsider their stand, and then we will decide on the dates. And if that doesn't happen, then very soon we will finalize the dates.
Sir, first of all, congratulations because the state police has really worked very hard to get
this is what I want to hear.
five accused in Raghuvangshi murder case, and now we are seeing that more arrests are being made. So how do you see the entire thing, sir?
No, I think this the details of the case, I think SP is handling, so I really don't want to get into minute details of that because I'm not in a position to, I'm not investigating the case, so I really don't know. For me, as I said, the larger picture was regarding the overall situation that happened, and we are just happy as a state, as a people, and in fact as a region, that the truth has come out, and I think whoever is involved and whatever facts come out, based on those evidences, whoever is arrested is arrested. So that's something that really is not something that I would like to comment on. But I think what is important and clear is that the negativity that was there around safety concerns of Meghalaya is laid to rest. That's why I've urged the press also that let's not continue talking about this, because by us asking questions on this and talking about this, we only keep that issue alive, which is actually hurting us. We're all part of the state. If there's something wrong in it, I can agree that you have your right to ask questions. But when there is nothing, why are we asking again and again and just making this an issue when there is no issue at all? So I think somewhere we also as a press, we means you guys as a press have to be also responsible.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.